Mahigit doble ang tinaas sa mga kaso ng cybercrime sa Metro Manila ngayong taon.
Mas high-tech, mas napapadali yung proseso. Yun nga lang, kung nagagamit ito sa mabuti, mas madali rin nagagamit sa kasamaan.
In today's digital age, almost everything we do happens online. From connecting with friends to managing our finances. But behind every click, there's a growing threat. Cybercrime. Araw-araw may mga taong nabibiktima ng mga online scam, phishing, at identity theft. Hindi lang pera ang nawawala, pati tiwala at kapayapaan ng isip.
Cybercrime takes many forms: identity theft, online scams, hacking, and phishing. But beyond the headlines and statistics, there are real people whose lives have been deeply affected. Madalas itong nangyayari dahil sa kawalan ng kaalaman at fake news. Hindi mo alam, sa isang click lang, maaaring magbago ang buhay mo.
Pero hindi pa huli ang lahat. We can fight cybercrime through awareness, discipline, and responsible online behavior. So, here's how you can protect yourself online.
First, use strong and unique passwords. Avoid using the same one for all of your accounts.
Dahil kapag nakuha ng hacker ang isa, madali na rin nilang mabubuksan ng iba.
Second, double-check links and messages before you click anything. Kapag may duda, huwag itutuloy. Minsan, kahit mukhang legit ang email o messages, peke pala ito at doon nagsisimula ang phishing. Third, don't share personal information like your address, ID number, or passwords online. Ang simpleng detalye ay pwedeng gamitin ng iba para makuha ang iyong identity. Fourth, enable two-factor authentication for added protection. Ito ang extra step na makakapigil sa mga hacker kahit alam nila ang iyong password. And lastly, be smart and skeptical on social media. Hindi lahat na nakikita online ay totoo. Kaya bago mag-like, share, o comment, think before you click.
Cybercrime is not just a digital issue. It is a human one. Every message, every transaction, and every shared post is a reminder that online safety start with awareness. Sa isang maling pindot lang, pwedeng magbago ang buhay mo. Pero tandaan, sa likod ng bawat device, may taong may kakayahang pumili.
Piliin natin maging maingat. Piliin natin maging mapanood. At higit sa lahat, piliin natin maging responsable. Think before you click. Protect what you connect. Stay cyber safe.